So, are you a business coach, a personality development coach, or any type of coach? Then this video is just for you. You know, coaches usually conduct many online webinars, meetup webinars, and they want to promote their webinars. Like, this is the greatest request. And what is the best way to promote all the webinars? It is through WhatsApp marketing. So hello everyone and welcome back to Pabbly. I will show you that how you can promote your webinars that you're conducting on WhatsApp by sending promotional message just like this to all the list of leads, clients or all the participants. If you want to learn how you can send the bulk WhatsApp messages for this case, then stay tuned till the end of the video because I will show you this amazing setup. I'm going to create this amazing setup using Pabbly Chatflow. On a new tab, search for pabbly.com/chatflow and you will come to their landing page. Now, if you're logging in for the first time, sign up for free from here. You will receive 100 free credits. Using the 100 credits, you can test out this amazing setup right away. You can see how the bulk WhatsApp message sending is very easy with the help of this WhatsApp management tool. And after testing, if you want to promote other webinars as well, if you want to promote your classes, your one-by-one sessions to all your participants, clients and everyone, you can use my code on the left side of the screen to get instant discounts on the purchase of yearly and one-time plans. By purchasing the plans, you will get instant access to amazing features of Pabbly Chatflow. I'm already a user. I've logged in inside Pabbly Chatflow and I have already created the entire setup. If you want to learn how you can create the setup of Pabbly Chatflow, like adding your WhatsApp number, what are the other features of Pabbly Chatflow, check out all the video links added in the description section below. Now, to send bulk WhatsApp messages using Pabbly Chatflow, I prefer creating the template first. Now, this template creation is not done from Pabbly Chatflow site. You're actually creating the template in your Meta account. Approval of the template that you're creating is done through Meta. Rejection is done through Meta. Everything is done there. So I create the template using Meta first. For that, I'm going to click on this Add Template button. You will come to the template section. My template category is marketing, as I'm marketing and promoting my webinar that I'm hosting. My template name, you can name the template whatever you want. Select the language in which you're creating the template. Select the variable. If you're adding a variable in your template, select the variable. Select the type of the template. I want an image header, so I will select the template type as image. Then enter the body right over here. This is the body message that you're entering. Enter the footer. If you want, you can do that. You will see after adding in all the details, this will be the preview of the message. If you want to add in interactive actions, you can do that. Submit the template from here and you will see automatically the template is going to go to the status of pending after that, after the creation. And if the status is then approved just like this, Meta has approved your template. Now you can use the message template that you've created for sending bulk WhatsApp messages. I have created this template in the name of coaching message and this is my amazing promotional template that I've created. Okay, so now after this template is created, now what I'm going to do is I want to send this template as a bulk WhatsApp message. For that, we have this amazing feature of Pabbly Chatflow, that is broadcast. Now, in order to create a new broadcast, go to this Add Broadcast button. You will come to the WhatsApp broadcast page. First, select the type of the broadcast. Mine is broadcast campaign, so I'll select it. Next, you have to name the broadcast. For the name of the broadcast over here, I'll write it as Live Business Growth Webinar. Okay, so this is the broadcast name I want to give. Now for selecting the audience, we have one new option there. If you want, you can select the contact list of your Pabbly Chatflow account or you can upload a CSV file. Okay, I'm going to select the existing contact list that I've created. I have created a list of all my participants in my Pabbly Chatflow account, so I'm going to select that list over here. You can select all the list also, all according to your requirement. It's up to you whether you want to select all the lists that you've created or you want to select one or two or any number of lists that you've created inside Pabbly Chatflow account. Now, if you want to create a contact list, go to the contact section, create the list accordingly. Okay, refine audience. If you want to exclude a contact list, you can select the list over here. If you want to exclude a contact, you can exclude the contact over here. Okay. Next is select message type. Now I want to select the pre-approved template because I have created a message template. So I'm going to select this option. You can also create a regular message over here in the broadcast creation directly as well. I will select the broadcast template. This is the template that I've created. Now you have to add the image that you want to send with the message over here at this step only. Go to this button. I have already uploaded the image. I'll insert it and click on this done button. As soon as I will do that, this is the preview of the message that will be forwarded. Now this preview is on the Pabbly Chatflow side. What if you want to see it on your WhatsApp phone, that how the message is going to look like? Because I'm going to send this promotional message to thousands of people. Now for that, you can test this amazing broadcast over here as well. My name is test user and this is my phone number. I'm going to send the test message. It says test broadcast sent. On the WhatsApp, you will see I will receive this new message right over here. This is the image and this is the text. Okay, everything looks very great. It's perfect. This is what I actually want. Okay, now I have tested the broadcast as well. After that, next is schedule broadcast. Now if you want to promote this specific message on a specific date and time, send this message on a specific date and time, you can select the option of yes, schedule for later, or else if you want to send this message instantly at this point, you can go to the option of no, send instantly. I will schedule it for later. I want to schedule this message on 1st September 2026 at 5 p.m. This message should be forwarded. I've selected the date and time. If you want to automatically retry for the failed contacts who didn't receive the message after the broadcast has run, you can turn on this button and set the settings according to your requirement. I don't want that. I'll skip the part and add the broadcast. And as soon as I've done that, this broadcast is scheduled for 1st September 2026 at 5 p.m. and this is the message that is going to be forwarded. So as now the broadcast has created successfully, this is how this entire setup is created to send bulk promotional messages. So on the date and time that you've selected, to all the participants, they all will receive a webinar promotional message just like this. Now if you have any questions or doubts related to the setup, do comment down below all the questions. I will reply to it. So this was it for this video, guys. Thank you all so much for watching.
Not just this WhatsApp automation, you can use Pabbly Chatflow for different WhatsApp use cases as well. If you want to know about the different pricing plans of Pabbly Chatflow, you can check out this link given over here on the screen. And if you want to email us or ask any queries, you can email us on sales@pabbly.com. If you have any questions or doubts, comment down below. I will reply to all the queries as soon as possible. Subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. Thank you so much for watching.